In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google AdSense main balance in just 5 minutes. Now, let's get started. First things first, you need to head over to the Google AdSense website. Simply open your preferred web browser and visit adsense.google.com/start. This page is your gateway to all things AdSense. It's where you'll start if you're new to AdSense, or where you'll sign in if you're returning. Once you're on the page, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that. It's important to note that Google AdSense uses your Google account for login credentials, so you don't have to remember a separate username or password if you're already using Google services like Gmail or YouTube. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email. This should be the email associated with your Google AdSense account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one linked to your AdSense account to avoid any confusion. After you've entered your email, it's time to type in your password. If you've got your password saved or you're using a password manager, this should be a breeze. Nonetheless, make sure you're typing the password correctly to avoid any unnecessary login issues. Now that you're logged in, you're going to be taken to the Google AdSense homepage. This is where the magic happens. Here you can find all sorts of data and tools related to your AdSense account, but we're focusing on checking your main balance today. From here, navigate to the payments info. This might be located in a different area depending on any updates or changes to the AdSense layout, so keep an eye out for anything that mentions payments or finance. Once you're in the payments section, look for a tab or link that says Your Earnings. This is where Google AdSense shows you all the money you've made. Click on it and there you are. You should now be able to see your main AdSense balance. It's worth mentioning that this balance is what you've earned over a specified period, including any pending payments and finalized earnings. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Google AdSense main balance. It's a simple process that can be done in a few minutes as promised. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Always make sure your contact and payment information is up to date in your AdSense account to avoid any delays in payment. Also, familiarize yourself with the payment thresholds and schedules to manage your expectations regarding when you'll be paid. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned AdSense user or just starting out, I hope this video has been helpful. Keep creating, keep publishing, and I'll see you in the next one.